of advanced polling, and there is no online voting. So the 24th October, Monday, is the main election day. So we encourage everyone, please must vote. You know, with your families, with your friends, take everyone and please just vote. If we don't vote, how we can bring the people of our choice and bring them as our leaders? So please, I definitely recommend that you just make sure that you vote. Thank you. For mayor election, our respected Mayor Korombi is the candidate again. Respected Mayor did a lot for the city, and she has great plan for the future as well. Korombi is very active, and she is so much involved in all the communities, and she celebrates lot of events with all communities, and she is so much involved. Korombi, you have a lot of achievements. You did so much work for the city. You made this city so beautiful and made us proud, you know, the resident as a city of Mississauga. Wow. You know, you did so much. I just want to share one story, a little story. I went back home and we had a dinner in the Gymkhana, and the most of the people like they knew that I live in Canada, but some of them they didn't know where I live. So they asked me, which city do you live in? I said, I live in Mississauga. They said, it's a beautiful city. There is a university, there is a lot of like nice buildings, all that, everything is so good, and also your mayor is beautiful too. I said, yes, that's why our city is beautiful too, you know. So you did so much. Thank you so much, Bani. So I would like to invite you, please come and tell them about your achievements, that you have done so much for the city. I know it will take so long if you can, you know, so the main things, and also your future plans and agendas. Thank you so much, Bani. We welcome you, and our support is definitely with you, you know. All right. Thank you.